So we are getting close to the start of this trail. This path would have been a great, XC bike path if I brought my bike. And about that here. All right, I think we got to the end of this trail. It's a nice, cute bench here. Great for family pics. Oh yes, that's the so if you're parked at Beecher Place, if you turn left, this is the shorter walk to the end of the trail. But what we'll do is we'll go back where we started walking, go all the way to the other end, aim for Blackie's Pit, which is probably, if I was not walking slow like normal hiking pace, it's probably 15 minutes all the way down there. But before we do that, let's see what we can see here on this beach. Yeah, we don't get nice sand here. All natural. Black sand. Lots of rocks. Well, as long as you're in the water, that should be fine. I wouldn't mind coming here every day if I can. It's quite a drive though. Okay. This is a nice. Oh, I think they're just developing this place. Looks new. Wow. Probably a rental. Oh. What is this? Huh. This is nice. Wow, you can actually walk all the way down here. Have to be careful because there's a point here where you might actually walk all the way to the US, but I don't think it's Crescent Beach. It's somewhere by the Sawasan Park. Look at these. Seabirds as they are about to take flight. Look at them. Uh, that's nice. Yeah. It's a great place to get your fill of nature. See if we can cross from here. Unlike in Vancouver, so for example, if you were in, let's say, Pacific Spirit Regional Park, there is there's a slim chance that you might come across a homeless individual setting up a tent in the bushes. I doubt you'll see that here. If you see a tent here, it's actually somebody illegally just staying overnight. Yeah, the homeless problem in Vancouver is a significant problem. I think it's better now. Yeah, I just hope they get the help they need. One of the biggest problems is either it's a mental health or a substance use issue, or it could be something entirely different. I'm not an expert on that. Oh, okay, so I'm pretty far out from the beach now. I mean, from the trail, where the trail ended. And I'm just curious what's on the other side. Oh. I have never been on this side. I usually, once I get to Beecher Place, I take a right and walk straight to Blackie's Spit. Blackie's Spit is where you can see a large flock of great Pacific herons and other seabirds. You can catch the occasional bald eagle. But this is why BC is such a beautiful place. I can be hiking on the water. If I have my SUP board, I could be hanging out in the water for an hour or two. Afterwards, once I get bored, I can drive all the way to one of the local mountains. Right, there's Cypress Mountain, there's Mount Seymour, there's Grouse Mountain, and I would snowshoe is my favorite thing to do in the winter, so hike up those mountains. I don't really ski or snowboard.